Good morning children, welcome to Narayana and live classes. Today I want to explain Maths assignment 7 key. Today's test is objective test. In that we have 10 questions, 5 multiple choice questions and 5 are blanks. First let us discuss multiple choice questions. In that first question is what will be 3 by 4 divided by 3 equal to 3 by 4 divided by 3 is equal to how much? So first of all, in division, first fraction as it is we have to write, and divided by you have to change it as into, then take the reciprocal of 3. So what is the reciprocal of 3? 1 by 3. Reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. Now in the product of fractions we will multiply numerators and denominators separately. So 3 into 1 by 4 into 3 will separate numerators separately, numerators and denominators multiply. So 3 into 1 by 4 into 3. Now if any common factors are there, can be cancelled. Here 3 and 3, these two can be cancelled because both are divisible by 3 table. Now what is left here? 1 into 1, in the numerator 1 is left, by in the denominator 4 into 1, that is 4. So the answer is 1 by 4. Okay. Now coming to the second one. Second one is reciprocal of the fraction 3 by 4 is reciprocal of the fraction 3 by 4. So reciprocal means what? Reciprocal is nothing but inverting the fraction. So 3 by 4 we have to invert. Invert means numerator and denominator we have to exchange. So what is the answer here? Numerator will become denominator and denominator will be numerator. So 3 by 4 reciprocal form is 4 by 3. Okay. Next third question is what is the reciprocal of an improper fraction? Reciprocal of an improper fraction. So let us check the solution with some examples. Okay, let us take one improper fraction, that is numerator is greater than denominator, that is called improper. So 5 by 3 if you take, what is the reciprocal form? 3 by 5. If you take 10 by 7, what is the reciprocal? 7 by 10. Observe the reciprocals. 5 by 3 reciprocal 3 by 5 means it is a proper fraction. 10 by 7 reciprocal is 7 by 10. This is also proper fraction. So reciprocal of improper fraction is proper fraction. So what is the answer for this? It is proper fraction. Okay children. The reciprocal of improper fraction is proper fraction. Okay. Next. Coming to the fourth blank. 2 divided by 8 by 9. 2 divided by 8 by 9. What is the value of this? So already I told you division is nothing but multiplying with the reciprocal. So 2 into reciprocal of 8 by 9, that is 9 by 8. Reciprocal of 8 by 9 is 9 by 8. Now let us simplify here. Here we have to multiply numerator and whole number. So 2 into 9 by 8. Now if any common factors are there, can be cancelled. So 2 and 8 can be simplified. 2 ones are and 2 fours are. Now we got 9 by 4. 9 by 4 can be converted into mixed fraction also. By converting into mixed fraction, we will get 2 1 by 4. Why? Because we will divide numerator by denominator here. So 4 in 9, 2 times will divide. So 4 2s are 8 plus 1 will be the remainder. So 2 1 by 4 is the answer. Okay. Next, fifth question. 1 by 4 divided by 5 by 6. 1 by 4 divided by 5 by 6. This is what type of fraction? What type of fraction means first we have to simplify this, right? So 1 by 4 into, because division is nothing but multiplication with reciprocal. So 5 by 6 reciprocal is 6 by 5. Okay. Now let us simplify this. Here 1 into 6, 6 by 4 into 5, 20, and 6 by 20 can be simplified with a common factor 2. So 2 3s are 6 and 2 10s are 20. So this is 3 by 10. So 3 by 10 means it is a proper fraction and also can be expressed in decimal form also. 3 by 10 can be written as 0.3. So here the solution is 3 by 10 which is a proper fraction and also 0.3 means it is a decimal fraction. So both 1 and 2 are correct here. Okay. Next, coming to the sixth question. Sixth one is Deepika can paint 2/5 of the total part of the wall. Then what is the part of the wall is left? That is the question. So how much wall she can painted? Part of the wall she can paint is can be painted is 2 by 5. 2 by 5. So what part of the wall is left means what we will do? We have to subtract. So here the total wall we should consider as 1. So total parts or total wall we have to consider as 1 here. Total wall is 1. So part of the wall left is part of the wall left is we have to subtract here. Okay, 1 minus 2 by 5. 1 minus 2 by 5. So here what is the LCM? Here 1 is whole number, so here it can be taken 1 by 1. So LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. 1 and 5 is 5. Now 1 how many times divides 5? 5 times. With that 5 multiply numerator, 5 ones are 5 minus 5 how many times divides 5? 1 time. So 1 into 2, 2. So 5 minus 2, 3. So 3 by 5 is the answer. So what part of the wall is left? 3 by 5. Next, 7th question. 2 by 5 divided by 3. 2 by 5 divided by 3. So first fraction as it is you can write 2 by 5 into reciprocal of the second fraction. What is the second one? 3. What is the reciprocal of 3? 1 by 3. Reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. Now multiply numerators. 2 into 1, 2 by denominators if you multiply 5 3s are 15. So what is the answer? 2 by 15. Okay. Next, 8th question is 2 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 5. 2 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 5. Okay. So here we have a mixed fraction. First let us convert into improper fraction. So 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 by 2 divided by 3 by 5. So here we have to do this sum in 2 steps. First we have to convert into improper, then we should multiply with the reciprocal. Okay, 5 by 2 divided by 3 by 5 means 5 by 2 into 3 by 5 reciprocal is 5 by 3. Now multiply numerators. 5 5s are 25 by 2 3s are 6. Now 25 by 6 we got. It is an improper fraction. Convert into mixed fraction. So 25 by 6 if you convert into mixed fraction we will get 4 1 by 6 because 6 4s are 24 plus 1 25. So 4 1 by 6 is the answer. Next, 9th question is reciprocal of proper fraction is reciprocal of a proper fraction. So what kind of fraction we will get? Proper fraction means what? If numerator is less than denominator it is called proper fraction. So 3 by 4 proper fraction. Its reciprocal is 4 by 3 which is an improper fraction. So reciprocal of proper fraction is improper fraction. What is the answer? Improper fraction. Okay. Next, 10th question. The value of 5 divided by 3 4 by 7. The value of 5 divided by 3 4 by 7. First convert this 3 4 by 7 into improper. So 5 divided by 7 3s are 21 plus 4 25 by 7. Now division means multiplying with the reciprocals. 5 into 25 by 7 reciprocal form 7 by 25. Now simplify. 5 into 25 can be cancelled now. 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. So what is left here? 7 by 5. So 7 by 5 is the answer. That if you want you can convert into mixed fraction also. That is 1 2 by 5. Okay. So this is the key of assignment 7. Okay children. Did you all understand? Okay children, thank you very much. Have a nice day.